Question number 8. Where was Gautam Buddha born? Answer is B. Question number 2. Who was the mother of Gautam Buddha? Answer is A. Question number 3. Under which tree did Buddha attain enlightenment? Answer is D. Question number 4. At which place did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? Answer is C. Question number 5. Who was the first disciple of Gautam Buddha? Answer is C. Question number 6. The first Buddhist council was held at? Answer is B. Question number 7. Who was the Buddhist monk that spread Buddhism in Sri Lanka? Answer is C. Question number 8. The Tripitaka, 3 baskets, are written in which language? Answer is C. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a part of the 3 jewels, Triratna, of Buddhism? Answer is C. Question number 10. The 4 noble truths include? Answer is D. Question number 11. Right speech, right action, and right livelihood belong to which category of the Eightfold Path? Answer is B. Question number 12. What does Nirvana mean in Buddhism? Answer is B. Question number 13. What is the Buddhist term for the concept of non-violence? Answer is D. Question number 14. The Buddhist community of monks is known as? Answer is C. Question number 15. Jathaka tales are associated with? Answer is B. Question number 16. The second Buddhist council was held at? Answer is D. Question number 17. The fourth Buddhist council was held during the reign of? Answer is B. Question number 18. Mahayana Buddhism believes in? Answer is A. Question number 19. The Dhammapada is part of which Buddhist text? Answer is C. Question number 20. Who is the Bodhisattva of compassion in Mahayana Buddhism? Answer is A. Question number 21. The Bodhi tree under which Buddha attained enlightenment is located at? Answer is A. Question number 22. The third Buddhist council was held under which king's patronage? Answer is C. Question number 23. the Sutta Pitaka contain? Answer is A. Question number 24. Who compiled the Tripitaka? Answer is B. Question number 25. The Milinda Panha is a dialogue between King Milinda and? Answer is B.